Hello everybody. So I've been asked multiple times as to whether they should be an LLC or an S-Corp or whichever. So here is the key. You can start out as an LLC, okay? And that's great and dandy, but once you get over about $100,000, you're making $100,000 or more, then you want to go to an S-Corp. You want to pay yourself fair and reasonable. The reason you want to do this is because as an LLC, you're going to pay FICA and Medicare on all of the money that the company makes because it's looked at as your income. If you are an S-Corp, that is not the case. You pay yourself fair and reasonable. So you got to pay yourself something, reasonable. So you're making $100,000. You say, I'm paying myself 60 grand. Then what happens is that 60 grand you will pay income tax, state and federal, but you also pay FICA and Medicare, okay, which is like 12.65%. So, but the other 40 grand that you have under the S-Corp, all you pay is income tax. You will pay the state and city tax, or state and federal, I'm so sorry. State and federal income tax, but you will not pay the FICA and Medicare. And there's only a certain amount that you need to pay into FICA and Medicare to even be eligible for it at a later point in time. So really, if you stay in LLC, you're really just throwing money away because that's the case. So, so start out as an LLC, and then what you can do is down the road with your accountant, you can say, hey, I want to change and file my taxes as an S-Corp. So you won't change your company from an LLC to an S-Corp. It'll still be an LLC, but you will file taxes as an S-Corp. I hope that helps out. Gives you a good idea. Your 1099, it's got the checkbox for filing as an S-Corp, and all that good stuff. The only key is, which I'll discuss this in another video, a little bit more detail. When you're an S-Corp, you can, when you're an LLC, you can pay your kids a certain amount of money per year, and you can pay it right out of the LLC. If you're an S-Corp, it's a little trickier, and I'll go into much more detail in my other videos, but basically what you do is you have to create a DBA, a doing business as, and put it as a sole proprietorship, and you will pay that company from your LLC, and then that company will pay your kids. And the great thing is then you can use that money. They're not taxed on it at all. No income tax, no FICA, no Medicare. You put that into a Roth IRA for them, and it just grows, and they never have to pay tax on it. So, little trick there, but I'll get more detail later, so I hope you enjoy the video. If you did, please subscribe. I'm trying to, get out there and really start helping people out. Like it and subscribe. All right. Thanks, guys. Bye.